What's up guys, you're welcome to another video. In today's video we'll be talking about how to search Google like a pro in 2021. Let's jump right in. To be able to search Google like a pro, there are some operators that you should be aware of. One of such operators is the 2 dots. If you're trying to search for something that can be referred to by a range of numbers, for example, you are trying to search for 30-inch to 50-inch TV prices, right? So you can type into Google 30 ... 50-inch television price in, for example, price in your country. Now, that particular search query is going to enable Google know exactly that you are looking for the price range of 30-inch to 50-inch televisions prices within your country. Now, another operator that we can use in getting precise information from Google is the location keyword. So if you are searching for Tesla related news in Nigeria, you can just type in Tesla location : Nigeria. Basically, that tells Google that you are looking for Tesla related news that has to do with Nigeria and Nigeria only. You will get results that has to do with Tesla news in Nigeria. So basically, it enables Google to know exactly what you are looking for. Another pro tip when you are trying to search Google is the keyword site. For example, you are searching for a particular thing in a particular website. For example, you are searching for recipes in a cooking website, of course, the site where you get your recipes, or maybe on YouTube or whatever site that you want to get the information from. You type your keyword, then the word site : then you type in the domain name of the website that you are trying to get information from. That will tell Google that you are looking for that particular information from a particular website. Another hack you can use to get precise information from Google in 2021 is the Tilde Sign. Now, if you are searching for a particular thing and there are many other words that can be used to describe that particular thing you are looking for example, you are searching for online classes on a certain topic, but you don't want to limit yourself only to online classes. You want to search for both online classes, online courses, online lessons, online tutorials. You can just type in online, use the Tilde sign, then you can use any of these words: classes, lessons, tutorials. Just use any of those words. It's going to give you the search results that includes both the keyword that you typed in and other synonyms, other words that can be used to describe the same thing. Now, another very interesting one is if you have a series of words that you want to search for that precise series of words. Let's say you want to search the internet for the word afang soup in that order. What you need to do is you type in afang soup and then include it in double quotes. If you type in double quotes and then type in the keyword you are searching for inside the double quotes, it tells Google that you are searching for pages that contain that particular phrase in that order, in the same order that you typed in. So basically, Google will know and return results that only provide or that only contain that phrase in the same order that you typed in inside the double quotes. Now, if you are a student and you are searching for information on the internet, probably you are looking for ebooks, this particular tip is going to be very useful to you. You can use the keyword file type. For example, if you are searching for information about microprocessors, if you can type in microprocessors file type : PDF. Once you do that, it gives you information about web pages that hold PDF documents that have something to do with the topic that you are looking for, and I'm sure this will be very, very handy to so many research students out there. Now, the next one I will be talking about, the next tip I'll be talking about is using vertical bars. For example, you have 2 options, or maybe you are looking for the prices, or you are trying to compare prices of 2 items. You can type in item 1, add a vertical bar, then item 2, and probably you add prices to that. It will give you pages that contain both the prices for item 1 or pages for item 2. So basically, that is how it works. That is how the vertical bar operator works. It gives you the flexibility to search for multiple items at the same time, where you are trying to compare and contrast. If there is a task you are trying to carry out on your mobile phone and you are having any difficulty, please drop it in the comment section below. Anybody that has a solution can answer you, or I can take it as a video topic for a subsequent video. Now, if this video was useful to you, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.